Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bartender. I'm Chris. Today, I'm making a penicillin. The penicillin was created in 2005 by an Australian bartender, Sam Ross, who had came to the States and worked at a New York City hotspot, Milk and Honey. Let's make a penicillin. We're gonna take 2 ounces of a non-peaty Scotch, or a blend Scotch, and pour into a cocktail shaker. Then take 3/4 ounce lemon juice into the same cocktail shaker. 3/4 ounce honey ginger mix. This is our fresh homemade mix. If you want to learn how to make it, it's in our shift notes. Add ice. And shake. Into a old-fashioned glass, add ice. Take your Hawthorne strainer and strain this cocktail over ice. Leave a little room, and I'll tell you why in a minute. We're gonna take a peaty Scotch, 1/4 ounce. We're gonna measure it out and drizzle right on top. And by doing this, this will allow your nose to taste the peat. Perfect. Final step, garnish. We use candied ginger. And there you have it, a penicillin. Let's give it a shot. Cheers. That'll cure what ails ya. Great cocktail, well balanced. You definitely get the peat from the nose, and it balances out nicely. You taste honey, but not too sweet. Acidity from the lemon juice, and overall well balanced. Go home, try it for yourself. Thanks for watching. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender. Thank you. Goodbye.